Hi everyone, Dr. Remy from Pain Free and Fit and Posture Size. Today we've got a great massage therapy technique for tension headaches known as the 5x5 posture size technique. Hope it helps you. So the 5x5 posture size technique is based on locating the most taut or tight area in your neck and shoulders. So if you begin at the back of your head with your hands, you can feel in with your fingertips moving down the back of your neck just to the sides of the bony knobs or spinous processes of your neck, and scan through both the back of your neck into your trapezius muscle, which comes off to the side towards your shoulder blade, even on the back corner of that inner upper corner of the scapula or shoulder blade, the levator scapula muscle, and you can even check the side of your neck from the back of your skull behind your ear, angling down the side towards the front in your SCM. And somewhere in there, between the back of the neck, the side of the neck, and the top of the shoulders, you're going to notice an area that has more tension in it or more tightness compared to other areas. The area that's most tight is going to be our target treatment area. So with your finger, whether that's on the right side or left side, you're going to hold that position or that place in a neutral position in your body. Now, what I mean by a neutral position is you have to know what your typical alignment and postural issues are. We always say in Pain Free and Fit and Posture Size, if you're doing anything, whether it's exercise or treatment, without knowing what your unique mechanical and postural issues are, you'll only be strengthening dysfunction. So if you have a tendency to round or elevate or tip your shoulder blade, or have a tendency to lean your head to one side or elevate your shoulder or rotate your head, you need to know about that so you can position yourself into a neutral position, avoiding those tendencies. If I have a tendency to lean my head to the left and I do this particular 5x5, I'm not going to get nearly the benefit as I would if my head and neck and shoulder blades were in a neutral position. If you're not sure what your unique postural or mechanical issues are, I invite you to go to our free body analysis available at the Pain Free and Fit or Posture Size websites and check that out so you know how to position yourself in a neutral position, avoiding your postural and mechanical abnormal tendencies. So once you have your body in that neutral position, you'll again feel with your hand where that most taut or tight area is, and then you're just going to vibrate very slightly straight in to that tightness. You're going to vibrate in with 5 waves of vibration, and I'm just with my finger using a very slight 1/8 of an inch vibration into the area. You're going to rest for 5 seconds after that, and then you'll do a different motion vibrating in, let's say a circular motion as opposed to straight in. And you're going to rub or vibrate for 5 times in a row, little circles. 4, 5, and relax for 5 seconds. Then at a varying speed, you'll come in perhaps with a figure 8 motion. It doesn't really matter what shape or which direction of motion you use, as long as they're different each time you do these 5 vibrations. Relax for 5 seconds and come in perhaps with a star motion or a capital letter A motion into the same spot. So I'm vibrating into the same area of tightness, just changing the speed and the direction of my vibrations each time I do. And we'll do a 5th one. Let's say we'll come in straight, but very quickly do a square or a triangle motion, okay, pointing in the triangle towards the tightness. By varying the speed and the direction of these oscillations or vibrations, you're sending a wide variety of sensory impulses into that tight area, helping to create an overload of sensory impulses at the spinal cord, which hopefully is going to create a different motor response, meaning where the nerve comes out of that spinal cord to your muscle and creating a reflexive relaxation of that muscle. So after 5 vibrations with 5-second rest between each one, you'll go back and feel that tightness, and most of the time that tightness will be released. You can use this 5x5 2 or 3 times in a row if necessary. Just make sure you're using a different direction of vibration each time and a different speed, fast to slow each time. If you enjoy this video, I hope you will help me share it with others by giving me a thumbs up below, leaving your questions or comments. I'll be happy to get back to you. Remember that most tension headaches are going to be helped by corrective exercises to strengthen the mechanical problems in your neck muscles and joints, which includes our posture size system and pain-free and fit system. Hope you enjoy and hope it helps you.